The Earth opens beneath our feet, and the air thickens with heat and minerals, as if the planet is exhaling from some ancient wound. Here, in the Danakil Depression, the world drops more than 100 meters below sea level, into a basin carved by tectonic fury and sculpted by time. The horizon trembles in the haze, colors ripple across the ground like liquid metal, and nothing feels entirely real. This is not a place meant for life, and yet, it breathes. The land glows in impossible shades. Pools of acid shimmer neon yellow and electric green, shifting like molten glass under the sun. They hiss softly, releasing plumes of sulfur that twist upward in pale, ghostly ribbons. The air tastes metallic, sharp enough to sting the tongue. The ground crackles underfoot, thin crusts of mineral salt, delicate and treacherous, concealing boiling water just below the surface. Every step feels like walking across a fragile skin stretched over the Earth's simmering heart. Volcanoes watch from the edges like ancient sentinels. Their black silhouettes cut harsh lines against the sky. Volcanic spines formed where three tectonic plates ripped the crust apart. This is the Afar Triple Junction, one of the few places where you can witness continents beginning to split. The land is literally tearing itself open, peeling apart at the rate of a few millimeters each year. A future ocean is being born here, quietly, violently, inevitably. At night, the world reveals its furnace. The lava lake of Erta Ale glows in the darkness, its surface churning like fiery breath trapped in a stone lung. Rivers of molten rock pulse and fracture, veins of bright orange slicing through black crust. The heat radiates from the crater like a living presence, pressing against the skin, pushing viewers back with invisible hands. The Earth is speaking in a language of fire, and every eruption is a syllable of its ancient memory. Around the edges of the lava fields, the winds shift and carry faint echoes of past civilizations. This place has swallowed travelers, explorers, entire trade routes. The desert offers no mercy. Temperatures soar above 50 degrees Celsius, and the air feels too heavy to breathe. Even the most resilient creatures, camel caravans shaped by centuries of survival, move slowly, cautiously, as if aware that one wrong step could dissolve them into the landscape. Life here exists in defiance, not in comfort. Salt flats stretch outward like shattered mirrors. Patterns of white and gold crack the earth in geometric grids, as if drawn by an unseen hand. The salt itself is ancient, fossilized seawater from an ocean that died long before humans understood the meaning of time. The wind carves ridges into the salt, sculpting waves and spirals that glitter under the harsh sun. For a moment, the world looks frozen, but the heat burning through your shoes insists otherwise. Nearby, sulfur chimneys rise like twisted sculptures, their surfaces crusted with minerals and shades that should not exist in nature. Emerald green, cobalt blue, burnt orange, they bubble and spit, forming miniature cauldrons where chemistry, geology, and heat collide. It feels like wandering across the ruins of a mythic forge, a place where the planet itself experimented with elements long before life emerged. And yet, against all odds, life does exist here. Extremophile microbes cling to these steaming pools, painting them with brilliant colors that glow under the sun. These organisms thrive in acid strong enough to dissolve metal, in water hotter than a bath of fire. They are reminders that life began in places like this, in vents, in heat, in chaos, not in gentle forests or cool oceans. The Danakil is not a dead zone. It's a living museum of life's first whispers. The silence shifts. Winds carry the scent of minerals and faraway storms. Shadows fall across the land as the sun dips closer to the horizon, and the colors deepen. Pools become gold, salt flats turn silver, and the lava lake brightens to an almost blinding flame. It is a landscape of contradictions, beauty born from brutality, creation emerging from destruction, colors blooming from poison. Every direction tells a different story, yet all stories lead back to the same truth: this is Earth at its most raw. As twilight settles, the temperature drops only slightly, but the desert softens. Heat mirages dissolve, mineral towers glow softly in the fading light. The sky transitions from burning white to violet, then to a black so deep it feels infinite. Stars appear bright, unfiltered, ancient, mirroring the molten stars still burning in the crater below. You stand in a place that feels suspended between worlds, a place where the boundary between Earth and something otherworldly becomes thin enough to see through. Here, reality bends, landscapes defy logic, time moves differently, and the planet reminds us that beneath our cities, our maps, our brief human stories, there is still a world older, fiercer, and far more powerful than we can comprehend. And when the last light fades from the horizon, you feel it, the hum of the earth beneath your feet, alive, restless, eternal. Because here, in the Danakil Depression, The planet is still creating itself, and we are only witnesses to its fire.